Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the logo watermark in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. For example, I'm going to select my video to the track and so import your logo. I have to prepare for example, um, yeah, just say this logo. Just click open. You can import your logo as an overlay, put on top, and yeah, with the PNG format. But if it is not PNG, you can remove the background. Just click cutout and select chroma key or auto cutout. Alright, so to make it as watermark, yeah, uh, to make it as watermark, you can adjust for the opacity and basic. Scroll down, you find a blend option. Just select the opacity, or just select the overlay. With the brighten and just for the opacity. So you can see this is the watermark. Yeah, logo watermark. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below.